How did ancient Greek theaters create sound effects? Have you ever wondered how the ancient Greeks made their theatrical performances so captivating? When you visit the ruins of ancient Greek theaters, you can truly appreciate their architectural brilliance. These theaters, such as the renowned one at Epidaurus, were not just built for performances. They were designed to create an immersive auditory experience. Let's take a closer look at how sound effects were crafted in these remarkable venues. Ancient Greek theaters were primarily outdoor structures, often constructed into the natural slopes of hills. This unique setting provided a semicircular shape that was key for sound projection. The design allowed sound to travel efficiently from the stage to the audience, ensuring that everyone could hear the performances clearly, even from the back rows. To enhance acoustics, the Greeks employed several clever techniques. The semicircular shape of the theater, along with the reflective surfaces of the stage area known as the orchestra, helped project sound toward the audience. Additionally, the skein, which served as a backdrop, acted as a reflective surface, further improving sound quality. The materials used in the construction of these theaters also played an important role. For instance, limestone was commonly used for seating. This material had a filtering effect, suppressing low frequencies and minimizing background noise. At the same time, it reflected high frequencies back to the audience, enhancing the clarity of sound. Sound effects in ancient Greek theater were often created using instruments and various devices. The aulos, a double-reed instrument, was a popular choice for producing music and sound effects. Musicians utilized a technique called circular breathing, which allowed them to play continuously without interruption, creating a seamless musical experience. When you visit these ancient sites, you can truly appreciate the ingenuity of the Greeks in crafting an immersive experience. The combination of natural acoustics and thoughtful use of materials allowed for effective sound projection, making these theaters remarkable even by today's standards. As you travel through Greece, visiting these ancient theaters offers a unique chance to connect with the historical context of Greek drama and music. Understanding how sound effects were created in these settings adds depth to your experience, allowing you to imagine the vibrant performances that once took place there.